in this integration, we have to find the value of sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x upon sine square x into cos square x. So I will change the sine to the power 6x as sine square x to the whole cube. Similarly, I will write the cos to the power 6x as cos square x to the power 3. And here you will write the value as sine square x and cos square x, and you will write the integration of it. So everything will turns out to be sine square x plus cos square x into sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x minus of sine square x cos square x. And you will write the value as, here you will write sine square x cos square x, and here you will write integration, and this one will be treated as dx. So this value will turns out to be sine square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1. Now we will separate this value and you will get the value as sine square x, sine to the power 4x sine square x cos square x plus cos to the power 4x sine square x cos square x minus of sine square x cos square x upon sine square x cos square x dx. All the values will get cancelled. You will get the value as 1 only. Here if you will cancel, you will get the value as sine square x. So you will get only the value as tan square x plus tan square x dx plus cot square x dx minus of 1 into dx. So tan square x can be written as sec square x minus of 1, sec square x minus of 1, and cot square x can be written as cot sec square x minus of 1, and last one will be written as minus of x plus of c. So everything can be written as tan x minus of x plus, sorry, cosec square x can be written as minus of cot of x minus of x minus of x that we will have, that is equal to plus. So your answer will become tan x minus of cot x minus of 3x plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.